The backup camera is located in the center of the rear bumper cover. It is easy to remove, but you must remove the rear bumper cover to access it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the cover off, you can see the camera just above the license plate area indicated by the red arrow. Gently release the 3 clips, red arrows, holding the retaining cover in place and remove the retaining cover. The camera is held in place by friction clips. Gently release these and remove the camera, red arrow. Release the small clip on the wiring connection and replace the camera, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. It is a good idea to give this area a good cleaning before installing the new camera. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.